The Block Shadow tool in CorelDRAW lets you add solid shadows to objects and artistic text, appropriate for output to devices such as vinyl cutters and plotters. Unlike drop shadows and extrusions, block shadows consist of simple lines, which makes them ideal for screen printing and sign making. If you are planning to print or export your document, you can specify block shadow settings to suit your needs. For example, you can set a block shadow to overprint. That is, to print on top of underlying objects. Also, overlapping areas between the object and its block shadow can be removed when the document is exported or printed. You can remove block shadows from objects at any time. The Block Shadow tool is located on the Interactive Effects flyout. To add a block shadow, in the toolbox, click the Block Shadow tool, then click the object and drag until the block shadow is the size you want. You can adjust the depth and direction of a block shadow, and you can change its color. To set a block shadow to print on top of underlying objects, click the Overprint Block Shadow button. To trim overlapping areas between the object and its block shadow, click the Simplify button. A block shadow may contain holes, but you can remove them to create a solid curve object. Click the Remove Holes button to remove or close holes. By default, a block shadow is generated from the object outline. You can also choose to ignore the outline and start the block shadow from the object edge. To include the object outline when creating a block shadow, click Generate from Object Outline. The effect of this option is more obvious when an object has a thick outline. In addition, you can expand a block shadow that is generated from the object outline. To increase the size of the block shadow by a specified amount, adjust the value in the Expand Block Shadow box. To remove a block shadow, using the Block Shadow tool, click the block shadow, then click the Clear Block Shadow button on the property bar.